Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my channel and my life. Today I'm going to go through the July Allure box. Let's see what's inside. Let me grab a pair of scissors. Have not opened this yet. Scissors. Okay, let's see. Okay, so guys, this is what the box looks like when I open it. Well, and this is what it looks like without the paperwork. Oh my goodness. Just one of those days, right? Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, here is the little pamphlet that comes with it. In the pamphlet, it's going to give me products and the information that I need. So let's go with this item. So it looks like a little round container. See what it looks like inside. So this, guys, is number 1. Let me tell you a little bit about Allure while I'm opening this. You get 5 total items in your box. 3 of them are supposed to be full size now, and then there's 2 of them that are actually sample size. So like I said, you can do the subscription with Allure or on Amazon. I do mine through Amazon. So I am glad to get this box every month. I've been loving the last couple boxes. So let's see what we got in this box. Okay, this is a vitamin C jelly mask. The brand is Allure. So it says vitamin C and then it says banana flower, like Flower extract. Okay guys, I'm gonna open up so we can see kind of what it looks like inside. $19.99 is the price for the full-size item. This is a deluxe sample. This is what it looks like inside. Put a little bit on my hand. It's clear, so you can't see it. You might see the shine off of it. Soaks in pretty quick. Yeah, it's gone. And it really doesn't have a smell, especially it doesn't have like a banana smell to it or anything. So that's a mask. I'll try that one. Here is, let's see, we got item number 2. Okay, this one says it's from The Gardeners, a spicy honey bath syrup. So it has ginseng, honey, and coconut oil. Let's see if I can get into it. Bath syrup. So when I hear bath syrup, I'm thinking a very thick product. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, that was way too much. What is wrong with me, guys? Ooh, it smells like honey though. It is very thick. Oh, and that really smells good. Just smells fresh and clean and honey. It is actually from Crabtree and Everly. $35 for the full size. So this is it here. I still have it on my hand. I probably need to wash it off, but I'll wash it after we're done, right? Okay, let's see what else I got. Okay, this is item number 3. This is the Able Retexturizing and Restoration. Here it is, if you want to look at it a little clearer. So it says the full-size product is $132. This might be full-size product, guys. So let me look. Okay, it's got a little tab on it, and I've got a bunch of moisturizers open, so I do not want to open this and let it go bad. So that was item number 3. Let's see what else we got, guys. Here is another item. Now, here's item number 4. This is the Winky Luxe Unbrow. It is a universal eyebrow pencil, and it is $16, so this would be the full size. Let's check it out and see. I'm not going to swatch it because I will probably put this in a giveaway since I don't use eyebrow. So that's a really pretty package, guys. Look at that. It's kind of like shiny gold color. I'm going to put this up to my hand to see if you guys can see the color at all. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this back. And then this is the other side. So it looks like it has a little brush and then some eyebrow pencil on the other side. So that was $16, guys. So let's try. There is a palette in here, which I'm excited about. You know, I like palettes, and especially like smaller palettes to travel with. So let's check out the colors. I'm looking for one palette to take with me. That's all I'm looking for. I don't want to take more than one. I am doing minimal makeup and skincare. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it looks like it's City of London. That is one of my favorites. Let's open it. Oh, pretty, guys. Okay, I want to cover the mirror for you. I bet you I could take this one by itself. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at those great colors. Looks like it's 9. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's got 9 colors in it. Perfect neutrals. I like that, guys. Let's see what the cost of this item is. And cost is $24. So super pretty, guys. Love, love, love this. So my box has been great. That's a full size. And there's actually an item in the box. It's just in a little box. Looks like it's just a regular little sample. Yeah, it's a regular sample. It's this one right here. It is from the brand La Roche-Posay. It says it is a Hydral B5 serum, and the retail value is $29.99. I've used some of the La Roche-Posay items and I like them. I don't think I want to open this. Well, it's already open. So let me just put a little on. It's clear. It's got a little bit of a smell to it. But now that it's gone, it just soaks straight in there. So we will try this one too. So let's see. I got the serum today, which is, this is item number 6. The brow pencil is item number 5. Got the eyeshadow palette. I got the honey bath syrup. I got the moisturizer. And I got the mask. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So that was a very good box. I think my favorite is, of course, this, which is the palette. And I'm really excited to try this one also. So I have lots of great things that I can use on my cruise coming up, because I love to take these things and just throw them away when we're done. So definitely gonna try them. I will let you know how they worked out for me. So like I said in the beginning, my name is Lori, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me at my channel. I so much appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below, hit the bell button, be notified when I put out new videos. And if you don't mind, hit the like button, guys. That like button and subscription are everything for me. So I'm on a roll to 250, guys. 250, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and right now I'm getting ready for 3 giveaways. So at 250, I will have the massive big giveaway. Well, I have a Walmart summer box that I received 2 of. I'm going to be giving that away, and I think I'm going to be giving away, it may have been a May or June fashionista. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.